How to fix WhatsApp Meta AI not showing. So if you want to fix the WhatsApp Meta AI not showing, then what you need to do is first check your internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, then you need to open up your Play Store or your App Store. So before proceeding, let me tell you one thing, that WhatsApp Meta AI is a new feature. So it might not be available in some regions. So you just need to simply wait for a few weeks till it's available. So if it's available with your friends, or if you have that option on your friends or your family members devices, then what you need to do is simply go with your Play Store or your App Store and go with the search. Under search, you need to search for WhatsApp. Once you search for WhatsApp, now here, instead of this open option, if you have an update option, then you can simply go with the update and update your WhatsApp application. And once you've updated, you can go back and open up your WhatsApp Messenger. And once you open, you will have the Meta AI option. But even after updating, if you don't get the Meta AI option, then you just need to simply go with settings and scroll down, go with apps and go with your WhatsApp, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear cache. Once you've cleared, your problem will be fixed. So even if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply wait for 1 or 2 weeks or a few days till you get an update on your WhatsApp. And once you've updated your WhatsApp, your problem will be fixed because it's a new update. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.